Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to clear Facebook activity history. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to your activity and tap on Activity Log. Select Activity History. Here you can see all your activity across Facebook. To clear your activity history, tap on the three vertical dots right next to the activity. Tap on Delete. Tap on Delete if you want to permanently delete your activity history. And that's it. This is how you clear your Facebook activity history. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.